Hi, I'm Luke from the USA Pro Cycling Challenge, and I'm here with our buddy Dave from Summit Graphics, and he's going to show us how to put a Pro Challenge decal on the back of your car.
Hi. First of all, need some cleaner, your decal, some tape measure. First thing we're going to do is clean the window real quickly. And then use a dry rag to clean off any residue. Then you'll stick a piece of masking tape on each side of the decal, like this, so that you can place it. We want to center this left and right, up and down. Normally I like to use the lines and stripes on the decal to center it up and down. So this one we're going to do about 17 inches to the bottom of that stripe. Then with your other two pieces of tape, put it about the center of the graphic. Put your tape like this so it keeps it in place. Then what we're going to do is take a knife and very carefully cut along that tape there so you have some kind of reference to where you're going to apply the decal. Next we're going to strip the back of this paper here. Some scissors. Cut that piece off. And using that masking tape, we're going to line it up to the piece that you cut. Just like that. Next, you'll need a squeegee. If you don't have a squeegee, you could probably use your license or a library card. You start from the center and work your way up and down from the center. And once that's stuck, you do the other side. Remove that tape in the center. And again, we do the same procedure on this other side. And carefully lift this backing because sometimes the letters want to come up. If they do, just lay it back down and kind of rub on it so that the letter stays on the transfer paper. And again, take a piece of masking tape and line it up to the tape that you cut. And you take your squeegee or library card and burnish it down from the center out. And do a once over with your squeegee to make sure all the letters are down. Next, we'll remove the masking. Pretty simple. You just peel it away from the back of the glass, and you want to kind of lay it flat against the windshield that you're removing from the vinyl. And pull on it. You don't want to pull on it like this because sometimes that'll pull the letters up. Nice and easy, don't panic. Very easy to do. Remove your tape. Then you're done. Good luck.